Here, welcome back to Autos channel. So today I'm going to show you how to spot stop loss. How you when you're lost in your trading and hold this thing is lost. How do you know it is lost? How do you know you gain? Let me show you. So I'm going to use my binance for example for you to see how the trading process looks like. How do you say that this is gaining? How do you say that this is losing? Everything is very simple there. Now what you need to do once you open your binance, now go to your market. Now let's go and see who are those that are winning and who are those that are losing. And how do you stop? How do you know where to stop, where to pause, where to spot your loss? Now, let me go to and let's see. Now let's look at this. Let's look at this. This is the latest price here now on our Keep2 wallet here. Our peanut is this is $1.59. You can see this is very crazy. It is minus 12. This is automatically now currently loss. And this is ACT is 2 minus 10. No Setos is minus 8. Now cow is gaining with plus 6%. You can see this is very wow. This is very let's go and check them here. You can see peanut is here left. They are decreasing very massively. So you know what is that when you're trading, you just have to be very patient and know the exact time to spot the loss. When you know that you're losing too much, just what sell it out immediately. Don't wait for it. There's a lot of okay, let's go and see those that are gaining recently now. Catty Pound, you can see this is a lot. This is a lot, and you'll be surprised within a little time. You can see this is very increasing, and within a little time they can start decreasing and being a loss. So you just have to get there and check, and don't be too greedy. Once you know that you cannot leave the money for long, you just get it out immediately and sell your okay. You can just sell your okay, so you can just sell it out immediately so that you will not be at loss. And boy, if you know that you're good at risking is 50-50, so you can say you can stay while pepper is really say really decreasing. So it's very easy. Just go there, you go to your market and you see what is happening, which one is decreasing and which one is. These are new listing. Now you can see automatically this peanut is decreasing. So guys, very easy. Just go there, monitor it and know the exact time you want to sell out your token. Very easy. So guys, found this video helpful, click the like button, share and drop a comment. Thank you guys.